Okay. Ooh, let's switch it up. Okay, guys, done with the personal account. Withdrawn. Time to go for structure shift now. Okay, it's been a long day. Whew, forgive me. I have been manic, man, all over the place. I had to run to a different city, came back, traded on the phone as well. Whew, but you can't just miss on this price action, man. But like, wow. Two streams a day, it's tough, man. I don't know how these IRL streamers do it, man. Like they just go all night. But we're gonna trade the structure shift. Um, I think NQ as well. It's gonna go lower. We're just gonna risk 1%, whatever. We'll change it later. We could put a little bit of bigger stop loss on gold too, because yeah, I think it's just like structure shift, man. This is going way lower. Um, and gold might do something in the Asian session, like they might pump it up, so we'll see. But like, if you just look at the daily, man, it's this was the key level, kind of the last level over here, where it could have potentially made a reversal, but now it's heading like way lower. And if you look at even the weekly, man, it's well, if you zoom out of the daily a little bit, let's see here. Um, you know, it created a lower high, came back down. Now it's breaking this structure. Definitely moving bearish. So yeah, I know it's a bad entry. I know, guys. I know. The problem is, if I want to enter on stream, I have to enter on stream. I can't just enter like and say like, yeah, look, I entered like before and now I'm all in profit. Like that's not. You guys wouldn't trust that, man. We got to do it all on stream. But I flipped pretty good today, man. Um, but yeah, just sucks that Hey, on the. By the way, this is like Ola Prime. We can pull up Ola Prime in a little bit. We're down quite 5.3% ish. 5.3% ish. We're down. It is what it is, man. Rough patch. Tried to take a range trade earlier today. Obviously, we had a major structure shift. Now we're kind of shorting at the lows, but the 4 hour on the R side still start showing like a continuation, to the downside. It didn't give like a V shape on the RSI, which you would like to see. It gave a little bounce but dropped down lower, so I think it's gonna go down lower. And I think Nas is about to break this any second now. I think Nas is about. Look at that strong candle, man. Now we're literally shorting at support right now, but so we could get a little bounce off here. Yeah, we're shorting at support, man. Like, I just don't think support is gonna hold today. That's the thing. If we would be a bit smarter, we would maybe wait for the retracement to the upside. But nah, man. If you just look at the range it's in, I think Nasdaq will do kind of the same thing as gold did. It's a shift, man. It's a shift in the market to bearish, I think. So these are potential swing trades as well, because we might enter into a bear market. Who knows? It's been a long time coming, man. And this war might get it done. Yeah, because if you look at like the daily close, I doubt that it will come all the way back up now. If you look at the daily close, I mean, it could happen that it reacts off the support again, but I think Nas is looking weak too, man. It might have like a pretty huge correction, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So let me check the chat, guys. Hey man, back at it again. Yeah, man. Yeah. We're back at it again, bro. What's good? I think Asian will pump. I think you should go with the Green Army, bro. Let's see. Let's see. Well, last bit of support for gold again. I just don't know, man. I think the support won't hold for Nas. It's too big of a retracement for it not to go all the way to the bottom, man. So yeah, that's my thinking here. The entries are off by now. I just want to go to the gym in a little bit, so I don't want to. Yeah, I gotta go to sleep too, man. You know what I mean? So I'll be here for a bit chilling, and hey, we're just gonna leave these open. So yeah, how did your guys how did your day go, man? My day like was crazy, man. I think that like the fivers futures, man, like I was so hectic during that live stream. uh I was just like full on analysis, and gold is moving up, dude. It would be better to get it from here, man. Green Army, bro. Green Army. Dang it, bro. Like, why am I doing the dumb stuff? Anyway, we're gonna keep it, man. We're gonna keep it no matter what. We're gonna keep it, man. I'm not gonna second guess my decisions now. Okay. Let's read the chat, man. Let's read the chat. So hey, how did you guys do, man? How did you guys do? Did you guys um were you guys successful? Did you guys do better than me? Like, yeah, we made like, man, I was down like 250, I think, on the Fivers futures accounts, and then I went like, yeah, then I took some unnecessary trades, man, and I don't know, man, like I think the pressure is getting to me, and also like these live streams are pretty long. I don't stare at the computer that much, so I'm starting to feel not so good, man. Starting to feel not the best, man. So it's good for me to get out in a little bit, hit the gym, get some physical activity going, man. Because I'm even feeling it in my traps, man. Like there's something effed up, man, with my traps, dude. From the sitting. Thoughts on TJR, man? Yeah, TJR, dude. I think the crypto pump and dumps, those were, man. That's bad, man. I really don't like the crypto pump and dumps where they just grab all the money from the fans, pretty much. You're literally like robbing your fans. You're literally robbing your fans if you do like pump and dumps, man. That's like next level, criminal, dude. If you're involved like in the pre-sales, then you get tell everybody to buy the crypto, man, and then you dump it on them. Like that's literally like taking their money. It's literally like robbing them, man. That's a like crypto pump and dump. If you're one of the admins, man, that's literally stealing from people. I don't care what people say. Like that's literally criminal, man. That should be punished, bro. Um, so yeah, according to Iman, he was doing that. So so yeah, man. If that's the case, like, I really have no respect for the guy, man. For real. Like TJR, like, if he really did those pump and dumps, and he was like in on it, he was in on the dump from his fans. Like that's terrible, man. That's terrible. That's like I said, that's criminal, man. No respect for that, bro. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of TJR? There's a lot of fans, right? There's, he's got a huge audience. I think he's funny, man. He's entertaining, that's for sure. Maybe he has changed his ways a little bit, but I don't think his strategy is maybe even that good, It's just ICT, but I don't know, man. Like he's teaching something. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. Like he was not profitable, and he was borrowing money from his friends, but then he was teaching people. So like, how does that even work? You know what I mean? Like how can you teach people when you yourself are borrowing money from your friends, and then you're saying like, oh, I'm the expert. I'm the expert. Learn from me. Buy my course for whatever, thousands of dollars. You can't do that, man. You can't do that. That's not ethical, man. But the pump and dumps, that I have a bigger issue with, actually, because, you know, TJR doing those pump and dumps, man, that's like, that's next level, man. That's next level, dude. Because, yeah, it's what's the difference, man, between a pump and dump, where you tell everybody, all of your fans to buy, and you dump it, like, and you take all of their money. What's the difference between that and just going on the street and taking somebody's money? It's almost the same, man. It's like convincing somebody to invest in something while you know you're gonna drop it to zero and take all their money. Like, what's the difference, guys? What's the difference? He's funny. I watch him entertaining, not for advice. Yeah. No, I like. Look, he's entertaining, man. As AF, right? Is somebody asking for analysis? Don't ask me for analysis anymore. Dime gold tank. I got cooked every time gold tanked I bought, so don't worry, bro. It's not only you. It's a good idea to go to the gym, feel better afterward. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and then with you guys. And I really do like the community aspect, man, of live streaming. It's just kind of taking a toll on me. I need to get used to this, and I need to, because look, guys, I was trading maybe, like, realistically on the charts, I was only like 30 minutes during the New York Open, and then I would go get some food, this, that, and then come back, look at the charts again a little bit. But like, to stare at the chart, to stare at the chat and all that, you get tired, man. You get tired, and it's, when you're tired, man, your willpower is dying out. Like, you get less focused. You can easily make mistakes. So that's why I limit my time on the charts. So I got to figure out a way where I can do this and not be glued to the screen all the time. But I also don't want to leave you guys, like, because it's boring to watch, like, just trades running. Like, who's gonna watch that, right? So I need to be here, need to be talking. It can't just be silent, me like just staring and not saying anything. So it's like a lot of things I gotta figure out how to make this. So forgive me, man. I'm just starting out, guys. I'm just starting out, but I'm not giving up, man. I'm not giving up. But yeah, give me some time till I figure it out completely. It's a whole different beast. A green army is coming for gold. You really think so, bro? I don't know, man. I'm looking at the daily candles, man. So hey, you might be right, but like what I'm seeing. Let me tell you what I'm seeing on gold on the 4-hourly. Why I think it's dropping lower is you see the RSI, for it to come down like that, it's very unusual that it it will bounce from this. It usually wants to make another low and then kind of make a V shape on the RSI before going up. But you could be right, man. You could be right. I just think like maybe I think today is like a special occasion, like, and the stock should definitely dump as well, because if they're bombing Dubai still, like US is definitely gonna step in and keep this war continued for a longer period of time. So the US stock should probably drop, but I think what's keeping it up actually Nasdaq is it's probably Palantir, right? Because that's war is I guess good for Palantir. But I mean, yeah, for certain stocks, war is actually good. So who knows, man? For obviously the you know. So hey, what happened? Yeah, what happened, man? What's been happening with this account, man? Um, pretty terrible result, man. We're gonna try to crawl our way back, man. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I mean the. Yeah, we tried to long during the London session. Failed. It's obviously did what it did. um, then I don't even know, man. Now I'm getting back to the charts. The move has already happened, right? We traded on the Fivers account for the pre New York. Then I got to go to another city. I had a meeting, and like I had that already pre-planned. But hey, I didn't actually miss that much. The New York session didn't do that much, so that's good. And yeah, that's kind of what's been going on, man. We're kind of trading the structure shift that I'm anticipating that's gonna happen. Oops. But yeah, RSI level on 40 is 20. Yeah, it is 20. You're right. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. It's not a huge risk. I only put 0.10 lots on gold. But what I think is Nasdaq will break the structure. This support won't hold. That's what I think. So hey, if that's the case, well, we could at least anticipate. I think it will make a new low. So maybe we can, by swing trading this, we could maybe. I mean, if we really wanted to go for like a crazy trade, we could hold it for like a long time. Make it, let's be ambitious here. Let's be ambitious. Yeah, I don't know if gold will. Look, it tried really hard. But the bulls are not stepping in. But they might during Asian. They might step in and reverse it during the Asian session. I just don't think it's gonna happen during New York, and it can drop a little bit lower. And if it's like a complete structure shift, like it could come all the way down here, and it's worth a shot, man. It's worth a shot. Sometimes you have these kinds of look at this move, for example, right, on gold. Hey, did it come up before? No, the second day came back up a little bit, but then dump skied still. So the only worry is that stop is a little too tight. That's my only worry for holding it overnight. But we can't risk too much. But with too little risk, it's also not really worth it. What I'm gonna put like 0.05 lots. No, like that's that it's not even worth it, man. We gotta take a chance here, man. But yeah, look now. I think yeah, Nasdaq is holding on by a thread. But once this structure breaks, you know that it's at least going here. It's not gonna. It's in a range, and I don't think this support will hold either. I think it will come way lower. So that's kind of my thinking over here, man. So okay, let's read the chat real quick. I'm gonna take care. Be safe, yeah, man. No worries, bro. Our style level is on 20. Which firm are you trading currently? This is Hola Prime. So hey, look, big woof if we lose, because not that big of a deal. Not that big of a deal. Let me just get these things out over here. So look, not that big of a deal, man. We were doing the two-step prime 100k, not that big of a deal. Okay, not that big of a deal. But I don't wanna lose. I don't wanna lose, man. I'm not gonna give up. Not gonna give it up, bro. We're not gonna give it up. If this trade hits, if these trades hit, man, we're gonna be back in business, man. It's a little ambitious, I get it, but hey, structure shifts happen in the market. I mean, even if we're gonna be less ambitious and we just go for like a 2k profit with NQ, okay, we're gonna slowly crawl our way back, man. Look, it just broke the structure. And today the volume is there. Today the volume is there for it to... It's obviously not going to go to those lows, but if we do an overnight hold, I don't know if Asia is gonna buy it up that aggressively. Gold, they might. Gold is always something that the Asia session can pump very hard, especially after a dumpy like this. But hey, they might see as well, like, okay, it's a structure shift. Let's dump it for now. Let's take our profits and buy it at a lower price. Buy gold at a lower price. At some point, you gotta take your profits and invest at a lower price. So when people see this aggressive selling, they might want to sell too. You know, in Asia. Why would they not? They've probably ridden it for 11 weeks. They have been buying and buying and buying. Maybe now it's time to sell and buy back at a better price. But like, yeah, so it's sort of my thinking. The wrong thing to do right now is to buy, actually. Like, it's very weak, and that's just my opinion, man. Don't even take my advice, bro, because look at my account, dude. This week I've been wrong like many times, dude, this week. But hey, these things happen, man. These things happen, you know. Yeah, these things happen, dude. Yeah, so look, NQ is breaking that, you know. The next level is definitely here, man. There's nothing really holding it back. Maybe you could look at this area right here, but I doubt it. That's weak. There was the gap there, but that's already old. So no, I don't see anything holding it back from going lower. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. What's the chat saying? So David, you are in profit. Wow, yeah, blues. How about that for a change? No, but look, I finished the day green, man. Overall, for me, just and I know like the Fivers account was hectic, man. It was crazy, but that's how I sometimes trade futures. But it's obviously I overtraded right there, and I don't even know what kind of mental space I was in. I was just like, um, yeah, not in a good mental space, dude. I don't know, but we still somehow managed to get the profit, man. At least that account I'm doing proper risk management on and all that. So, ooh, I'm already starting to feel the traps again, dude. Man, I'm sorry that I'm complaining this much, guys. Oh shoot, I just realized something. It's not even showing it properly. I had it on earlier with one trade, so let me just adjust this a little bit. Yep, there we go. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. You're in profit can happen. Yeah, yeah. You know, look, forgive me, guys. You know, everybody has their rough periods. I you know, I don't mind, you know, showing it on stream. It is what it is. Not everything can always go perfectly. And yeah. It's like I miss the calmness. Like I miss the calmness this week for some reason. I when we went long on Monday, for example, because we were in a long, I woke up in the morning and I was like, man, I'm in a long and I'm on live stream. How am I gonna even handle that? How am I gonna show that? I don't know. I woke up at 6 a.m. I started the stream at 7 a.m. I normally never even trade New York, London, and then it became a whole thing. I started trading London. Like, what am I doing? You know. So I gotta figure it out, man. I gotta set rules for myself with the live stream as well. Otherwise, I'll overdo it. I think you should good with the green army with gold. Nah, man, it's fine, man. I'm not gonna buy. The last thing I'm gonna do is buy right now. It's probably, you know, if it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump during the Asian session. If it's gonna pump right now, it looks like it will break this low to the downside. It could do a double bottom, bikini bottom kind of thing, but yeah, I think it's dipping lower. I think it's dipping lower. Today is like, you know, so very rarely, you know, you have these days where just don't buy it, man. It's like a falling knife. You don't want to catch the falling knife. That's pretty much what I try to do with the Fivers account. So who am I to talk that? But yeah, I mean, look, we're heading into the time as well where reversals do happen in the market. So it's like not the worst idea, baby. But judging for the RSI, I think it wants to dip lower. Yep. Okay, guys. So, you know, Nasdaq is giving a little wick as well. Whoopsie do. Okay, guys, I'm probably gonna hit the gym, but I'm gonna keep these trades open because these will take some time to develop, and there's not gonna be much happening right now. It's it could be sudden. There could be sudden volume stepping in to the market, but yeah, like I said, if I'm gonna stare again too much at the charts, I might take some stupid trades and all that. So yeah, guys, I think let's wait for a little bit more. Maybe we'll get a break to the downside. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, I really think Nasdaq is gonna, at least Nasdaq is gonna drop way lower. Look at the daily, man. Look at the daily, bro. It's oops. It's this candle right here clearly is super bearish. The next one is probably gonna, it might not do it with this one, but the next one will. Yeah, it might come back a little bit, but I don't think it will come back all the way up. So I think our stop loss is okay over there. Yeah. Yep. So, okay, guys, you know, I just wanted to kind of come on the stream because I wanted to enter these trades, and we got to do everything live, man. That's the most important thing, that we don't skip out on any trades that I take off stream. That's that would be a violation, man. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little break, man. I'm gonna go hit the gym, then I'll be back, man. Maybe in like 2 hours or so for the market close. Maybe in like 1.5 hours to see how it's doing. Yeah, 1.5 hours, guys. So yeah, man, thanks if you're still tuning in, man, after all of my failures this week. But yeah, man, I really appreciate that, guys. So let's see if we can get a runner, we can get a win, and perhaps we can end the week still relatively positive. So yeah, thanks, guys. Yeah, thank you, Guillaume Rees. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys. I'm back. I really needed that little break from the charts, man, to recover my eyes and all that. So what's good, guys? What's good? Look, I think, to be honest, Nasdaq, I don't think it will. I don't think it will reverse from here, actually. Like I said, okay, look at Nas, actually look at it on the daily. Let's zoom in a little bit. You know, it's consolidating, but making lower highs all the time. This might be the time that it actually breaks. And our TP is very, you know, adventurous. I will give it that. It's a little bit extreme, maybe. It would, yeah, but you know, it probably won't get hit tomorrow, or maybe not even this week, unless something major happens with the war. Wait, is the stream even on? Why did everything freeze? Why did the charts freeze? Am I even live anymore? Let's see here. Oh, dude. Hey, thank you for the $1, man. Young Tone, hey, thank you for the $1, man. What's going on, man? Is the stream on? Did my MetaTrader freeze? What the heck is going on, man? Let me just check my internet. Okay, my internet is working. My internet is working, man. Like, what's going on? Running some technical issues, I guess. Let me restart MetaTrader real quick. Let me restart it real quick. Okay. Where's the chart? Where's the chart? Okay, display. Let's get that off. Okay, let me restart MetaTrader real quick. Something just happened. Not quite sure what's going on. It's frozen for some reason. Okay, guys, I guess the stream is working. You're stopped as well. I guess it's the I guess it's Hola Prime server, guys. Yeah. Very interesting. Okay. Yeah. My internet is working, so let me just pull up the chart. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is that it's actually gonna keep moving lower, but I want to actually raise my, like, we would have to risk 1% on gold as well if we were gonna hold it overnight, because it might have a relief rally. I can't do it right now. Might have a relief rally during Asian. So I'm sure it will come back on in a little bit. But yeah, sometimes the MetaTrader servers freeze up. Oh wait, maybe so especially during like high volume, I've had it a couple times with future markets as well, like when gold is moving very volatilely, that the server just freezes. But it should come back in a couple minutes. Dang, bro. Derek Lee, what's the fivers? Yeah. The fivers, man. Yeah. I mean, that account is going pretty good. We took wow, the server freeze is taking a bit of a long time, dude. Yeah, we took a W today as well. Basically up 400 on that account, but like I overtraded today for sure. I overtraded. Woke up during London, traded to London, then after I was done with the stream, I took the gold short on my personal account. I withdrew all the money, then deposited 50, took the short. Almost blew the account trying to go for that short, but I thankfully got it. And I withdrew the profits right before coming to the stream, and then I went back onto the stream. And hey, this like 5%ers is down too. Oh dang, so like it must be like MetaTrader then. MetaTrader is out. Wow, MetaTrader's out, guys. Wow. Yeah, okay. Wow. That's pretty crazy, man. I haven't had that happen like ever, I think. MetaTrader's out. Wow. MetaTrader's out, but like also the gold price has just frozen. Oh, dude, the market is closed. What am I saying? The market is closed. What? Oh, of course. Dude, I'm tripping. The market is closed. So we're definitely holding overnight. Wow, bro. You see, like, this is what I mean. I've had a long day, man. I've had a long day, guys. I've had a long day. Definitely, I won't probably do the London. You down 5%? I saw in the chat. Yeah. You can see it. We're at 94k 600, so a little bit even more than 5%. So, what happened was I took a sell on silver. I took a buy on silver, and I took it with the wrong lot size earlier this week. Um, I lost 2% like that in 5 minutes. So instead of 0.50, I put 150. I had like 150 from another chart, and I threw silver into that chart, and I accidentally took it. So anyway, long story short, took a 2% loss. Then I tried to go for longs again with smaller lot sizes, but then I risked 1% on both positions. So that's another 2% that we lost. That was 4%. And today we took like some, we tried to go longs again because I thought the range was going to stick. So anyway, we put ourselves in quite a hole, but if these shorts go well, we'll be back on track. Now I think that gold stop is a little too low. I wish we could change it to a bit higher, but I do think gold is gonna try to aim for these lows right here. And I think this is it for Nasdaq as well for this range. I think it will come down. There might be a little bit of a relief rally. You are too much, man. Yeah. Hey, it is what it is, man. Look, worst case scenario, we lose $250 on this challenge. Is it that big of a deal? It is a little bit of a deal that we're losing it on stream, and my trading hasn't been top notch, man. Like it's just like yeah, it's been iffy, let's put it that way. But we could turn it around. We could turn it around very easy. We don't have that much left in terms of drawdown, but it's also not impossible to still turn it around and pass the challenge. It's not impossible, especially like, yeah, if Asian opens red, Asia decides to sell gold as well. Yeah, we're definitely back on track again. We're back to baseline basically, and it's all, we can all go up from there, man. Yeah. So I mean, look, it is what it is. Hey, if you really doubt like my skills, I did pass the fivers on the first attempt. That was the first, I started live streaming again, and we just did it. Basically, I don't think we even had a losing day. But yeah, this week it was kind of ranging, and the volume came in, and I didn't make the smartest decision, so I'll own it. It is what it is. Chart Addy, not losing. I'm laughing at you not knowing the market is closed. Yeah. I'm sorry. Like I said, man, I just came from the gym. I was trying to not think about the charts. Just kind of chill, man. Because like if you've been, yeah, I've been at it for a little bit today. Because when you're trading or on your own, like I don't think you guys are spending all day at the charts. But I kind of, if I'm gonna be talking about the trades and all that, like I have to. And I don't know. I was stressing myself out by trying to scalp this whole gold situation on my personal. I was just taking buys, sells all day, and that wears you out. Because it's just a lot of mental focus you gotta have to be long and shorting these EMAs. You kind of saw it like on the Fivers live stream on the futures account. You saw what I was doing. Like I'm long and shorting, grabbing little losses, like a little bit, kind of going crazy on the charts. And I do even more on my personal account because there's no rules. There's just free game, man. I'm just longing, shorting. Um, are you close at market open? No. I'll keep holding, man. We'll see tomorrow what happens. This could either be a legendary trade or we'll take a loss. And then the account is almost gone, man. We maybe have like 1% left if that happens. And with 1%, I mean, we're just going to have to take the A plus setup with that 1% because the A plus setup and maybe get a 1 to 10%. No. Yeah, I think Nasdaq will go lower. And it won't do much during the Asian anyway, usually. So we'll be able to take some profit if necessary during the London tomorrow, if it does have a little bit of a relief rally, or we'll close at break even or something like that. I'm a little bit worried about gold, that it will do some sort of relief rally during the open, but we're risking 0.5% on that trade. So yeah, 0.5% loss is fine. If it does move all the way down here, which I think it will, but it probably won't do it straight down. It will probably come back up to these levels and then maybe create a lower high. If not, yeah, if it comes straight down, we're very, very solid. It could happen, guys. It could happen. Like, okay, this was an extreme move, but yeah, I think it might do something like this, you know, maybe consolidate again. So I think we will have a chance. I just gotta sleep during the Asian, man. I can't stay up all night, you know, managing these trades. So if it hits, it hits, man. If it hits our SL, it hits our SL. Not the greatest of entries too. I just doubt, guys. I just doubt that Nas will come back up all the way up here. I just doubt that will happen. You know, I think it will try to break these lows. If it doesn't break these lows, then we can get out. But I think it will break these lows. Yep. The momentum is there now. The momentum is there for the downtrend. No, yeah, Derek Lee. That's what I'm meaning. Asia, what London? No, yeah, I won't. I'm sleeping during Asia. It's like the Asia starts at yeah, it starts too late for me. So I can't do a live stream on Asia. I've already, like, you know, haven't I done enough, guys? Like, I have been live like every day for many hours. Like, haven't I done enough? You want me to stay up all night and manage these trades? Like, let's not go too crazy here. It's like, it's not the biggest deal ever if we lose this account. We'll go at it again, but I think the odds are in our favor, man, with these. I think shorts are the play long term. Cause these could be like real big shifts in the market. Like, the war seems to be continuing, so yeah, the stock should go down, man. Stock should go down. I mean, it's kind of similar to tariffs, man. Like, you know, oil prices are getting higher. Yeah, the only, yeah, I'm a little bit more worried about gold, but it broke. Look, I mean, it kind of broke these lows right here, right? That was kind of the play as well. If it breaks these lows, we're going short, kind of thing. Because I was anticipating that break. So, you know, if we're playing supply and demand levels, then, you know, what it will likely go to this red line, likely go to the 100 EMA, right? So Yeah, I don't think the whole trend will reverse. But even if we do the Tory trade style, whatever trend line, then maybe yeah. Let's see here. Okay, dang it, it's right on the trend line. Okay, so yeah, I guess it could bounce from here. You're right. Yeah, I mean it's a risky trade. It's a risky trade. I'll give you guys that. It's a risky overnight hold because usually, yeah, it will have a little relief rally after such a crazy dump ski. RSI is oversold too, so I'm hoping for a black swan event, man, which doesn't happen very often. But hey, these are war times. Wars don't happen very often. So, okay, guys. I mean, we'll see tomorrow. At least this keeps it exciting, man. We guys turn back tomorrow and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I hope so. I hope you guys will. Um, it keeps it interesting, man. It keeps it interesting. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Will we? Will this be a legendary trade or an epic fail? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get some rest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'll try to wake up early. If I see like when I wake up, if I see like straight away, like, oh shoot, it's like reversing, I'll probably come on straight away. If it's going in our favor a little bit, then I've been up too long. Been up too long? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, gold has been up too long. It's been too long in an uptrend. Like if we, yeah, I mean it was riding the EMAs perfectly, but it's kind of shifting as well, right? On a daily time frame, but that doesn't mean much. Here it broke below as well, but I think that was what was this event again, guys? I don't remember anymore. It was some kind of thing with Trump, I'm sure. I totally forgot now. But yeah, it had a very huge move towards the downside. So obviously, that was the relief rally, but it didn't have the strength, and now it came down, and now it's very aggressive selling. So I'm quite positive it will go there, but will it come back up? Yeah, probably. But hey, I'm willing to take the risk. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to sleep as well, guys. So, have a good night or good morning wherever you are, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So